Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. Did you miss our episode from last week where we made delicious pumpkin sage buttermilk biscuits? If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. Today we're going to be making a delicious appetizer that I highly recommend you put on your Thanksgiving Day menu. We're going to be making roasted Parmesan and black pepper potatoes. For that, you will need the following ingredients: 48 ounces of small round potatoes, 2 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese, half a tablespoon of ground black pepper, and half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Next, you're going to slice all of your potatoes in half and then set them aside. Next, take a baking tray that's been lined with some parchment paper and dump all of your Parmesan cheese onto the tray. Use your hands to spread the Parmesan cheese into one even layer. Next, sprinkle the cheese with your pepper and your garlic powder. After that, take your potatoes and nestle them into your Parmesan cheese with the cut side facing down. After that, spray the top of your potatoes with a little bit of olive oil spray. Then this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your potatoes in your preheated oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the potatoes are lightly brown on the top and they're tender when you prick them with a fork. And with that, our Parmesan potatoes are done. The cheese got so beautifully browned and crispy. I love the black pepper. It adds some spice and some depth to the flavor here. Plus the garlic is just such an all-around great addition as well. My potatoes are perfectly tender, so you can pop these right off of the tray and enjoy them right away. I do recommend letting your potatoes cool here on your tray for about 5 or 7 minutes before serving, and then of course you can enjoy them. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our roasted Parmesan and black pepper potatoes. Again, perfect for Thanksgiving. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other Thanksgiving ready recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.